You and me?
Yeah. What up, Tote fam?
Perfect.
Out here eating happy food in the cold.
What the fuck is up, Huey K Nation?
Shrimp fried rice.
From Happy Food? You don't do that still hot?
I know.
Sale, vale.
And by he means it's so hot, it's because we've had it in the car for like 30 minutes.
At least 30.
And then we also got what is it called? Sweet and sour chicken. So like these little nuggets that you dip in this fucking delicious ass sauce.
And we got some nice beverage.
We got the blood of my enemies.
Remember, guys, you can only drink and smoke if you're of age, and it's only medical.
Yeah, straight medical. And then we'll
In a little bit. Ready? First bite.
Welcome back, us. What do you use, a little car?
Guys, FTB, guys, for the boys.
I know. Something like, oh, can I...
I bet you. You know what happened to me?
Damn, man, you know what? No.
Today morning,
Kill us.
so I was making huevos, and then I cracked 2 eggs. 3 eggs that came out of dough again. 3 eggs.
The guy's like, fuck.
Supposedly, no,
Yo, chill, we're in the sauce, so you get shot.
by children.
You get shot for screaming children?
Who said children?
Pops out of the fucking...
I like how your glasses just turned dark.
I know, it looks
I like those.
Hello, man.
Oh, he did. You have a prescription? You said, yes, nigga. You pulled that shit out.
He's
I was like, oh,
Even my glasses tint.
He's like, fuck.
Really? Hold that. Over here. Dude, I'm out of shit.
Yeah.
Pepe ate a maruchan, babe.
And a fucking burrito and a torta. God damn!
I was munching. I was hot. Dude, last
hot?
night, it was so hot.
Really?
I was you asked me, you munching on?
Oh, dude, you were fucking...
I make him talk choco mean.
Dude, yesterday he had... I'll tell you later. He's so tall over there.
Change this.
He doesn't know. What's it called? What was I gonna say? He had chocomil. He had a sandwich. He had a bag of chips with Valentina. What else did he have?
Porque me dio los monches.
Pepe, I think it's his Pepe's head, right?
Back in the bench.
No. Say the thing that you always
Oh,
say.
back in the heavies.
No.
What up, YouTube? What
Back
up?
at the happy.
Day 3. They're still smoking.
No.
What do you guys think of mermaids? How do you think they look like?
Like fishes.
No, like for real. Like, do you guys think it looks like the females?
They look like the
Or they
fish
look
from
like
Hellboy.
fishes?
No,
Yeah,
they look
dude.
ugly.
They're
I
like
feel like
the
they
fish
look
from
ugly.
Hellboy.
But why do they like make you seem that they look pretty?
Because they're supposedly
None
they
of the
serenade
above.
you and then like you get you fucked up.
I feel
Well,
like
they
they
make you
look.
think they're beautiful, right?
It's
No,
just
no.
an
I
hallucination.
feel like they look like aliens.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Like,
Like a
like,
fishtail.
Esmeralda, if you're watching this is all fake.
Was everybody in the shot?
Just,
Everybody's in the shot. Even
it's
you.
just
Put your
fake
hand right
weed.
here.
Stupido.
Welcome back, YouTube.
Es que no quiero sacarle el. Quiero que salga mi nene.
Huh?
I bet you $5. I can flip your hand without touching it.
Flip my hand?
Yeah, without touching it.
What the fuck does that mean?
I don't bet you $5, bro. Let me see.
Just stick your hand out.
Do it.
No, the other way. The other way. There you go.
God damn it.
You know you have 11 fingers? Right.
You
So
have
here's
enough.
1, 2, 3. Wait, what? How does it go back? Okay, yeah, 1, 2. I forgot how he does it. He says. Oh yeah. 1.
I think it did blow up. Oh no! No, it did. Go!
Get it. She's not gonna do it, dude. Nah, he's not gonna do it. It's too new. It's too new.
It's not a virgin no more.
Did he already spin it? You guys always?
You want to?
You know you ain't down to drink some and then do it, bro.
Hey, did you leave Yosef by yourself?
What you mean? You don't get out till you swing.
Oh shit!
You swing it or you put that shit on reverse.
Mauricio.
Dude. Yeah. Dude, what the fuck, bro? Bro, this was fucking sick. You won it. You said it. Fuck yeah.
Alright guys, so we're gonna continue the vlog today. Today we're gonna be heading to the Best Buy store to go buy an adapter for my phone. I do use my phone to record videos. I also use my camera. I have a Canon camera that I use too, but I usually just carry the phone around. You know, it's easier access. Sometimes I don't want to carry the big camera. But so I picked up this mic yesterday on OfferUp. It's a Rode microphone. I just really wanted to upgrade the quality in my audio for the videos. This microphone should really help with that. The only problem is, so the guy who sold me the microphone also gave me this adapter so it connects to the microphone to the phone. The only problem is my Samsung Note 9 no longer has a headphone jack, so I can't connect it to my phone. So that's where we're heading to the Best Buy store so I can buy an adapter to connect to my Type-C to the aux, and then that way this microphone will work with my phone, because it'll work with my camera right now, the regular camera, the Canon, but it won't work with my phone because of the aux problem. So yeah, so let's head to the store and go pick up the adapter, and then we'll see what the difference of the audio quality is. Biosol. You're the boss?
Yes.
Huh? And no, we're not taking the Mamalona today, guys. We're taking the daily. The wifey's car.
Okay.
Say share and subscribe.
Subscribe to the channel.
Dale, métete. So we're here at Best Buy, guys, trying to look for this adapter. Hopefully it doesn't cost a grip. We're back here with the family. Came to pick up my brother from work too. Taco Bell gang.
Taco Bell gang, come get a 5-layer chalupa box for $5.
Self-promotion. So guys, we ended up finding the adapter I needed, and the boo ended up buying me this tripod, because I do have a tripod, but I lost the fucking adapter piece that connects to the camera, so I did need a new one. This one was only 15 bucks. So we'll test it out too. We also came to Walmart, but awesome, glad I found this. It was only 10 bucks, not that bad. But yeah, let's hit up Walmart quick, see what we find, and we'll come back. So guys, we're done shopping at Walmart, but we came to enjoy some pretzel and Burger King here at the Walmart. I had a pizza pretzel, If you guys haven't tried those, they're freaking delish. My brother decided to get some Burger King. Now we're just opening a necklace that we bought Cheyenne. We also bought the board game Candyland so we can play later. I remember when I was little, I would always play that game.
With my dad, we would always play it too. Oh, that's how we played it. That's how I found out about the game.
Mommy, that one's for later.
That's your necklace. Put it on.
Look, Mom.
Mira, bling bling.
But leave it on. Leave it on. Leave it on. Your bracelet.
Bracelets.
And then your rings. Ready?
Go, Visit, go, Visit. Go, Mommy, go, Mommy.
Ah, you're supposed to go down again.
Go.
This people.
Who cares?
You will not destroy this. You are about.
It's too powerful. See like that.
There we go.
3, 4, 5, 6.
Hi, Papa.
Mira, he learned it.
Hi, Papa.